Colorado homeowners know that the weather here can be unpredictable. From heavy snowfall to intense sun, your roof takes a beating year-round. But is your current roof up to the challenge? Today we'll explore why a stone-coated steel metal roof might be the perfect choice for your Colorado home. Hailstorms are common in Colorado, and they can cause significant damage to traditional roofing materials like asphalt shingles. Stone-coated steel metal roofs, on the other hand, are designed to withstand hailstones up to 2.5 inches in diameter. This superior durability means fewer repairs and longer-lasting protection. Our roofs have a Class A fire rating and meet wind requirements for the High-Velocity Hurricane Zone, or HVHZ. Even though we don't have hurricanes in Colorado, we definitely have high winds. Stone-coated steel roofs are built to handle heavy snow loads, reducing the risk of roof collapse and ensuring your home stays safe and secure. And during those sunny Colorado days, our stone-coated steel roofs reflect sunlight, helping to keep your home cooler and reducing energy costs. Insurance savings are another benefit. With a Class 4 impact resistance rating, the highest available, many insurance companies offer discounts for homes with stone-coated steel metal roofs. At Lianro Metal Roofs, we offer free consultations to help you determine if a stone-coated steel metal roof is the right choice for your home. Our expert team will assess your needs and provide a detailed recommendation. But it's not just about durability and savings. Our roofs also come in a variety of styles and colors, enhancing your home's curb appeal while providing unmatched protection. Protect your home from Colorado's harsh weather with a stone-coated steel metal roof from Lianro Metal Roofs. Visit our website at lianro.com or call us today to learn more. Metal up!